step, lock, step, shuffle, pivot, half turn, shuffle forward with the left, full turn to your left, left foot mambo with a tap, shuffle forward, pivot, half turn, triple step, coaster, cross, figure eight with a right, left, right, pivot, half turn, step and drag, modified wizard, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, step, hitch, shuffle, then you start all over again. There's a tag at 3 o'clock wall. You're going to start with your right foot. You go right, tap, side shuffle. You're going to cross. You're going to do a full turn to your left. You're going to step with the right and left behind.